In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Sara Smile by Daryl and John Oates. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
A little bit of Sara Smile, a little intro there by Hall & Oates. Great song, probably my favorite Hall & Oates tune. By the way, if you like what you're seeing and hearing, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Hit the bell, leave a comment. We give away free stuff every Wednesday and having a lot of fun doing it. So this one, the intro, I'm going to take the intro, the verse, and then the chorus, and then also there's a little B section I'll get into in a minute. So this one starts out with a D minor 7th, and by the way, all the D minors here are 7ths in this song, so it's D minor 7th, A minor 7th, G minor 7th. So the verse goes, so the intro goes D minor 7th, A minor 7th, G minor 7th, and I hit a C sharp 9 here, but you could also hit a C sharp diminished. So it looks like that. I like the sound of a 9th there. It's got a little pull to it, so. And there I'm just hitting a G minor with a C in the bass. That's how I resolve that. So I'm kind of doing my own arrangement of this, so it's not perfect in terms of the keyboards because there's tons of voicing. The verse goes D minor 7th, then an A minor with a C in the bass, a B flat major 7th, looks like that, and then here I do a partial G chord with an A in the bass, and then up to an A. Okay? Back to the D minor 7th, and the A minor with the C in the bass, B flat major 7th, and here I'll have to do an A sus, A 7th sus. A 7th. Kind of a nice move. You have the choice of doing that or this again. Kind of mix it up. I like mixing it up. Then the pre-chorus basically goes B flat, C, C sharp diminished to D minor 7th, and then again the B flat, C. And here it goes to an E flat 7th bar chord to that D minor 7th. Then it goes to G minor 7th. It's you and me forever. Then it goes to the chorus, which is D minor 7th, A minor 7th, G minor 7th. And then I do the C sharp 9. Or if you want, you can do the C sharp diminished. I'll just D minor 7th, A minor 7th, G minor 7th. Then put that C in the bass. That gets you back into the second verse.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Okay. You feel like leaving. You know you can go. G minor 7. Why don't you stay until Why don't you stay until tomorrow? Wanna be free. D minor 7. E, C, the A minor, the C in the bass, B flat, major 7th, A sus 7th, to the little pre-chorus, B flat, C sharp major, or C sharp diminished, to the D minor 7th, where you B flat, C, and then E flat 7th, to D minor 7th, and then it just stops on the G minor 7th. Is you in the river, into the chorus. Won't you smile a while for me, Sara? Alternates between D minor 7th, A minor 7th, B minor 7th, C sharp 9. Once again, D minor 7th, A minor 7th, G minor 7th with, then you do the G minor with the C. And then it does a little lick where it goes. This is a little orchestral thing they do after the second chorus. It goes. So I'll do that slow. Starts with a G. And it goes right back into the chorus. They ended, I saw Daryl on live at Daryl's house. He did a little trade secret there. That's Hall & Oates, Sara Smile. Hope you enjoyed that. See you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.